Hi guys, welcome to Riti Trade Hub. This channel explores the world of Forex. My name is Purity Godfrey. I am a professional Forex trader and I officially welcome you to Riti Trade Hub Forex Beginners course. On today's video, we will be looking at what is Forex. Just in case you've not heard about Forex or you were coming into the market as a brand new trader and want to learn the right way of trading, then you are in the right place. I will guide you through all you need to become a profitable trader in the Forex market. I understand some of you already know about Forex and some don't. For the benefit of those who do not, we will start from the very basics of what Forex is, how to trade and how to earn. So guys, stick around while we proceed into the beginners course. Okay guys, welcome back to Riti Trade Hub Forex Beginners course. Firstly, we will be looking at what is Forex. Forex is an acronym that stands for foreign exchange. The foreign exchange market is usually known as Forex. The global virtual financial market allows exchanging one currency pair for the other. Basically, it is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world as it records a volume of over $6.6 trillion worth of transactions daily. In a quick search here, we can see that Forex daily trading volume totals around $6.6 trillion per day, as reported in a survey by Bank for International Settlement, that is the BIS. This implies that $6.6 trillion exchange hands between people from all over the world on the Forex market daily. Okay, this is the biggest opportunity presenting itself daily for you to milk Forex. Okay, the Forex market can be volatile and unpredictable, which is why it is important to do your research and risk management before you start trading. The foreign exchange market is so liquid that it can change your fortune around in just few weeks of trading, right? Before we go any further, I am going to be 100% honest with you and tell you this, like 100% honest, and you need to hear this, okay? All Forex traders, and I mean all traders, lose money on trades. So before you consider trading currencies, you need to understand that it is common for traders to lose money on trades. In fact, a large percentage of traders, up to 90%, experience losses due to a lack of proper planning, education, discipline, and appropriate money management strategies. So if you hate to lose or you are a super perfectionist, you will also probably have a hard time adjusting to trading because all traders lose a trade at some point or another. So you would think traders all over the world will be highly successful or highly profitable, but the reality is that only a small percentage of traders achieve lasting success. The problem is that many traders enter the world of Forex trading with the misguided hope of making a large amount of money, but they often lack the discipline and dedication needed to truly learn the art of trading. So guys, without these qualities, it is unlikely that you will succeed or those traders will succeed in this highly challenging but financially rewarding field of trading. And it's important to have a strong foundation of knowledge and discipline in order to achieve success in these demanding pursuits. So if you are wondering about what Forex is and how it works, don't worry, I'll be covering all of these concepts and more in this channel. Ensure you subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so you never have to miss any of my new content. Now that you have an understanding of what Forex is, let's briefly discuss Forex trading in layman terms. Okay, trading literally means exchange. Forex trading simply means exchanging a currency pair with another currency at a specific period, a specific price, and at a specific time. Basically, Forex trading is a process of speculating on currency prices to potentially make a profit. Currencies are traded in pairs, so by exchanging one currency for another, a trader is speculating on whether one currency will rise or fall in value against the other. Now, with the passage of each second of the day, the price of currencies fluctuates, and with every increase or decrease in the price of currencies, there are windows of opportunity to make money, either by buying or selling the currencies against each other. You can take advantage of the constantly fluctuating exchange rates and make profits as the exchange rates change. This is what we call trading. So let me explain to you guys what we are actually doing in Forex in very simple terms. Just follow me here closely. Let me use this analogy to explain better, okay? For those of you who are not Nigerians, I would use two names in this brief analogy. I would prefer to use President A and President B. Let's say President A is the former president of Nigeria and President B is the current president of Nigeria. Now let's get to the analogy so as to understand in a layman's way how Forex actually works. When President A was in power, dollar was at a time around 180 naira to 220 naira. Let's just take the average and say 200 naira. And when President B entered power, some of you would recall that around 2016, at some point, dollar shot up to 500 naira per one. Okay, assuming you knew dollar would appreciate against naira like it did in 2016, and you had 2 million naira lying fallow in your bank account, okay, you knew from your experience as a forex trader that uncertainty in government weakens a currency pair, and then you use this your 2 million naira and bought dollars at the rate of 200 naira and kept in 2015, right? It will give you about $10,000, right? That is $10,000 at 200 naira equals 2 million naira as at 2015. So this implies that your 2 million naira is worth $10,000, or your $10,000 is worth 2 million naira. Now let's assume you decided to save this $10,000 in the bank till 2016, right? Now 1 year later, dollar just escalated to 500 naira per dollar, and you went to the bank, cashed out your $10,000 and exchanged it back to naira at the rate of 500 naira. Very simple. Your $10,000 at 500 naira would now yield you 5 million naira. Remember, you just took 2 million naira. That means you made 3 million naira profit, right? Now ask yourself, did you use that 2 million naira to do any business? The answer is no. You practically did nothing. What just happened here was Forex. You leveraged on the fluctuations in the price of dollar to make yourself money without doing anything. You just sat at home while the foreign exchange market did the job for you. Guys, this is basically what we do in Forex. You will notice that you didn't really buy or sell any real commodity to make money. You took advantage of the change in exchange rates to make money. So guys, this is just a simple analogy, right? In Forex market, it's even more interesting because they happen daily. You don't have to wait for 1 year or months to make money. These currencies are constantly fluctuating in minutes, what I usually refer to as volatility. So it's those opportunities caused by these fluctuations in the price of one currency with respect to another that Forex traders make their money from. Okay, trading Forex online has many benefits. You can trade Forex from anywhere you have an internet connection. Aside from its size, the market also rarely closes. The currency market offers nearly 24 hours of seamless trading, starting on Sunday until Friday. I will elaborate this in my video on trading sessions and best time to trade. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so you get notified when I post a new video. More so, you do not need a huge budget to get started, okay? As little as $150 is enough to begin trading and building your account over time. Of course, it will require some learning until you get there. But this is exactly what Riti Trade Hub is here for. This is exactly what I am here for, to help you navigate your way through the Forex market, okay? So after the question of what is Forex, okay, someone would ask, what is traded in Forex, right? The simple answer is money, specifically currencies, okay? This is not the form of market where you buy your clothes or shoes, okay? This is not your normal local market in any part of the world you are in. In Forex market, what you are trading is called a currency pair. Although commodities like gold, oil, silver are also traded in Forex, but for the purpose of this course, we will pay attention to currencies or currency pair. So that was a look at what Forex is itself. In case you were struggling with that, or you were coming into the market as a brand new trader and needed this lesson, I hope it was valuable. In my next video, I'll be looking at what is a currency pair. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and do so to get notified when I post a new video. And if you have any question, kindly drop your question in the comment section as I will attend to those questions, okay? Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.